Shape. Shape the future, and it shapes all mankind. Shape the mind and see what happens next. Discoveries, innovation and successes are not created in a vacuum. It happens when we leave our comfort zone and come together. We embrace faiths, cultures, disabilities, differences. We embrace races, ages, ideologies, personalities. We are inclusive to accelerate sustainable growth in Asia. Connectivity is plural, not singular. The best way the world connects is everybody in, nobody out. Differences are not just celebrated, but essential. So whom we're made of is everyone. Guided by clear values and a collaborative moral code. A new generation of Edotco is more dynamic and forward-looking than who we were before. Equitable next-generation connectivity is not just what we do, but what we believe as a company. Because humanity isn't singular, it's plural. No one should be left unconnected. The truth is, we're not just enabling connectivity, but we enable positive social transformation. The power is we shape future connectivity.